past 1 year, I have been a resident of London and I wanted to share some of my experiences. I'm not an expert in this matter and I have merely been observing things around me. And there are three things that appeal to me the most in terms of heritage consciousness, and they were museums, plaques, and heritage walks. Things appeal to us a lot more when they are pocket friendly, and nothing beats the concept of something being free. Most museums in London do not charge an entrance fee, and therefore it becomes an affordable experience for people who visit London. I have visited the following in the course of the last year: Museum of London, Imperial War Museum, Tate Modern, Tate Britain, Royal Air Force Museum, the Natural History Museum, Victoria and Albert Museum, and the British Museum. Perhaps the Tower of London can also be added to the list, although one has to spend a hefty amount of money to enter the tower. Each and every museum has something exciting to offer, which includes some stolen items. The British Museum, for example, is often referred to as the biggest recipient of stolen goods, and one can find objects from almost every corner of the world put on display, from tiny island nations in the Pacific Ocean to Egyptian sculptures brought over from, of course, Egypt. When we find ourselves in the middle of a global pandemic, one does not barge into a museum at any given point of time nowadays. So one has to book a time slot to go to the museum well in advance, and this has to be booked online, and of course it's free of cost. This is just a measure that's been taken to ensure that at one point of time the place does not get overcrowded. At the entrances and exits of the museums, hand sanitizer dispensers have also been installed. Therefore, museums provide a very interesting insight into the history of any city, and it showcases the various ways in which the city has evolved, be it in terms of art, culture, history. It showcases the imperial past of the entire nation, and it definitely plays an important role in making the visitors conscious about the heritage of the city.